Look me when we get to the Dark Continent, or better yet, when we get to a filling station.
Roger.
How long before our refueling rendezvous, Colonel?
Oh, half an hour. We're meeting the tanker at Bermuda.
Hey, maybe I can get some sightseeing in.
Listen, you do your sightseeing on that pinball machine under the tanker's belly. If we miss, we'll be refueling in the drink.
Tanker to receiver. You've got it all.
Thanks. Now, if you'll just catch our windshield and leave us some of those green stamps.
Tanker to receiver. After you pay last month's bill, Buster.
Okay. Next time I'll try a self-service station. Are you ready for disconnect?
Roger. Disconnecting on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Castle Tower, Nelson 1-5. Wheels down and locked. We're on final approach for runway 30.